Hey everyone, it's Mr. Canfield. All right, so today we're going to talk about cubelets and how we get the joystick set up. Can you put your phone on the table for me? All right. So we've got it plugged in. We see that. Vulcan alerts. Oh, weather. All right. So when I plug the wheels in, I'm going to plug them in on the side just so. But we should have the. Where the heck is my finger? Yeah, we should have that, and then we should have. Let's see. So I plugged them both in. Boom. And it looks like these are probably already both two-way drive. So what we're gonna do is, if we're back on our main screen, we will hit remote control. We'll select those two wheels. We'll click continue. I like to click don't show here. This is a little tutorial. But now we have these sliders, and you can move the sliders, but and so like it changes the wheel speeds and stuff, but it's kind of hard to control. And so instead what you can do is you can click the setup button here, and then on either one of these you click that little rotate thing, pops open the joystick, you drag the other one in, and you can even reposition it if you want. But now you've got a nice workable joystick, and you can invert controls if it's not doing quite what you want. So yeah, then you've got a nice hope that helps.